Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today just going to take a look at another update on the rec pond build here we've got in front of us. So one area following on from the last video guys, you can see just down here, we've now added the edging around that side of the pond. So what we've had to do there is to remove approximately sort of 3 inches of dirt to lower that level down to make it meet up with the water level here, as you can see. Now what we will be doing is going down and putting further rocks down underneath here, but for now at least we have got this edge a bit better in. It looks a bit messy at the minute while we're kind of going through and tidying it up. Still thinking about the idea of a false stream bed coming up this way, but waiting to gather some more rocks for that one here. Now one thing guys, you might notice, we have had a new arrival. You can see here we've got a 2-foot Dixonia Antarctica tree fern, which has gone in now, as you can see, sort of off the stream bed here. It has come with 1 frond on it here. Now one thing to mention, and I'm going to be doing a separate video on this as well, around buying plants online, so I won't say too much about that at the moment here. I'll just say that I'm fairly happy with the purchase, although I have contacted the seller just with a few questions and things, but of course, yeah, we'll go into that in the following video coming out shortly. But for now guys, as I say, you can see here, got a bit more work done on the back, really starting to come together now. Let's just take a little walk down here. The jungle path guys, onset morelli is due to go in soon. We've had a bit of a cold spell coming up soon, so again we're going to be getting that out before that hits. You can just see here, lovely trunk size on this guys, nice and fat, probably around about sort of 18-inch width, and I think it will really kind of fill in this area here again, so it's kind of off the back. You can just see here where that's going guys. Just panning around here. Next steps is going to be to add further rock to that bit there guys. We're also going to be over the next few days working on the stream bed underneath that little bridge there, so we will be looking at that soon, so stay tuned for that update as well. But of course, thank you for watching. Certainly subscribe and follow along with the project. Lots more work to come on this one here, but for now, as you can see guys, we do seem to have a nice edge off the back here. Of course, a like and any comments on the project are always helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.